So, hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition, and almost I wouldn't be making this stream and recording locally. Before I will continue, let's just check if the stream is live, and then we'll see what's up. So yeah, the stream, here we go. Reload, please be working. Okay, it works. Nice. So let's just check out first of all the system information, and then I will keep going against the system. So many things to say. Anyway, so basically I need to go on system settings, about, and then let's go system details. Here we are. So yeah, basically, as you can see, Alienware M17 R5 AMD, 32 GB of RAM, CPU is AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX, and the graphics are AMD Radeon RX 6800M, 2 TB of SSD space, Zorin OS 18.1 core version, Wayland of course, and let's just see GNOME, of course, yes, GNOME, and let's just see on the terminal as well. Let's just go to the terminal. Let me do this. Too small, like this. Yeah, I think that's better. So yeah, Zorin OS 18.1, yada yada yada. What's important is today I'm using full 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160, 120 Hz. However, I'm using scale of 2 or 200% if you prefer, and I'm streaming and recording at full HD 25 FPS. More on this very soon. So yeah, the rest of the information you can pause the stream or later on the YouTube channel the video, take a good look on your own pace. That's it for now. Let's just go to the OBS settings. Here we are. Output. I'm using for streaming and recording basically the software encoder X264. 8000 kilobps the video bitrate, the audio is 96, encoder preset, very fast default as it says, medium CPU use at standard quality, and for the recording I'm using software, I said this already, low CPU use at preset, increases file size, and the Matroska video file, MKV basically. And here's what I said about full resolution, full HD resolution and 25 FPS. And let's go back to the what is happening with the system so far. First of all, I've been doing some customizations, some heavy customizations. The system, it has a good, somewhat good appeal on the default dark theme of what the people of Zorin OS decided about us, but still doesn't hold a candle to what I prefer. So here I am. I customized as I see fit, like the date and time here. I still have some work to do, but so far so good. The weather and all that. As you can see, the colors, etc. Some extensions here on the right side. The top panel, as you can see, it hides away when I'm not using it. This is the application menu, application launcher basically, as I prefer it to be. Those who have been watching my streams or my videos, they know that I have been using a very similar setup to the macOS GNOME videos that I made. This is my dock basically, and I have installed plenty of apps. As you can see, I have configured icons, themes, etc. Let's just give you some examples. Volume control, files. Let's just move it like this. Let's just open up the terminal, and then let's just go on this one. Why not? Boom. Calculator. Okay, you go small as well. Text editor, you go here. Let's open up the GIMP. Yeah, basically whatever you are seeing now, it was... I will talk about it very soon. Okay, this was interesting. As I said, I have so many terrible experiences with Zorin OS so far. I don't know if the stream will resume where it crashed or something. At least I'm trying. Right now we'll try to load up Vivaldi and check it out. Hopefully the recording will resume as well. Let's just check it out. Yeah, seemingly it started working, the recording. Where are you, Vivaldi? Come on, I need you. Vivaldi isn't starting up. This is insane. Maybe I need to restart the system. Yeah, terrible experience. As I said, this video, this stream almost didn't happen, and most probably it will not happen. I will give it one more go. I will stop the streaming, the recording, will restart the system and be right back. If you're watching this, yeah, I'll try to be right back as soon as possible. Okay, maybe this time it will work. I'm not sure about it, but yeah, third time is the charm, as they say. So yeah, I will stitch these videos together for the YouTube video, of course. The stream, I guess it's like 1 or 2 parts, maybe 3 parts. But here is the situation. I have been trying to customize the system to make it be like my own preferred version of GNOME. How I prefer GNOME to be, and almost, not just GNOME, but almost all Linux distributions. This is my thing. I want to make them work and appear like I want them to be and appear. This is why I'm using Linux. I'm doing what I want with the system, not what Apple or Microsoft or some Zorin OS developers out there doing for us. I don't care what they are doing. I'm so mad for such people. It's like, why you make difficult... I think this is on purpose, supposedly, I don't know, for the new people, for the Windows users, for the incoming macOS users. I don't know. Anyway, I don't want to rant a lot. This is the situation. I had terrible experiences with Linux Mint to customize it. Maybe that was on me. But as soon as I figured things out, it was okay. I said, okay, all things considered, ease of use and all that, okay. But when Linux distributions like MX Linux exist out there, or Void Linux or this and that, who allow you to do whatever you want with the system more or less, while being dead easy for most people out there, I don't know why Linux Mint, or even worse, Zorin OS, they do the things that they are doing. I don't know who they're trying to help. Perhaps their own pockets, because you have to pay for support and such things. But yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Anyway, this is the situation. Some customization, obviously, that I did. It boxed in some weird way Kdenlive, but that's nothing. What I tried before I made this stream, this video, I had trouble logging in the system from some customizations that I was trying to apply. and I had to go to the terminal. I had to use my other computer running Chaos Linux with Nearing Octalia. Mwah, I love that system. I had to use that in order to try to fix this system and the USB stick and all that. Insane, just because I tried to change in Zorin OS 18.1 core version, just because I tried to use a GNOME theme, guaranteed GNOME theme, functioning to any other GNOME version that I have tried out there, even past versions and future versions from this system, because this system uses somewhat old version 46. I have tried this theme with older and newer versions than this. As you know, GNOME, PKOS GNOME was like 49 something, almost 50, like 49.4, 49.6 or something in certain parts, and in other parts it was GNOME 50. Insane that I cannot use with blind eyes, blindfolded that is, the same theme on a GNOME based system. It's insane to me. This will not be happening in any Linux distribution. Anyway, it's not just the theme. As I said, I have troubles with the cursors. For example, when I go to volume control, I think eventually I will fix these things, but they take so much time and so much experimentation. Why? Anyway, as you can see, the cursor is now black. I don't know, Advaita, I don't know how you pronounce it. I don't even know which cursor is using. Most probably it's Advaita, or however you pronounce it. I don't care the pronunciation. Anyway, and when I move outside, it's this one. And then when I will open, for example, Krita, hopefully, I hope it will not crash the system. Let's see. Now it's double the size of the normal size. It's like, what is going on? Look at this. On the menu bar, it's like normal again. Look at this. Anyway, a whole bore of mess, this Zorin OS 18.1. It's like I'm battling the system, but as I said, Pop OS and Cosmic, they had the excuse of being experimental. What is this shite? I don't believe this. Really, I don't believe this. I want to use GNOME theme, GNOME cursors. I mean, this is the default cursor of the Zorin OS people, and the Advaita is the default cursor of the system, and I cannot easily switch for all of my apps to use the same cursors. What the heck? What the heck? Why keep this schizophrenia going on? Despicable. I'm so furious with this distribution, and they actually have the nerve to ask money for it. Even if you would pay me, I wouldn't use this shite. What the heck is this? Anyway, I guess if you don't want to customize it and keep it safe, whatever the system comes with, it's I don't know, perfect, I don't know, but I try to customize to use. I mean, they even have my favorite font in the system. It's like JetBrains Mono. It's insane to me. Look at this. This is GNOME theme. This is GNOME icons. Basically, you can use these icons on any desktop environment. This is their own cursor. The cell, once again, GNOME compatible. It's like, what the heck is going on? This is schizophrenic, maybe I'm saying it easy. It's like multi-personality disorder. Without being able to fix it, like a command here, a command there in the terminal, and boom, it's done. Insane. I hope they will turn this shite around. It's like, what the heck is going on? I'm almost this distribution almost broke me. I almost wanted to format it and do another video, I don't know, from my MacBook Air running Endeavour OS gladly. I mean, MacBook Air 2012 running XFCE Endeavor OS, perfectly fine. Fully updated, fully customized, perfectly fine. I have MX Linux systems running perfectly fine. Latest CasiOS systems, Chaos, Nirin, Octalia, and couple others. It doesn't matter. I mean, like, why people try to be Apple in the place of Apple, Microsoft in the place of Microsoft? Get over it. You are just taking advantage of, I don't want to say anything else, to curious people. You take advantage of them and you're just wasting everybody else's time. And I just found out today that they don't even support, at least that's what I found. Feel free to tell me otherwise in the video comments below, that they don't even give from the money they earn to the open source community back. It's insane to me. I don't even, it's like, I don't even want to continue customizing this thing. It's just because I'm stubborn. I will try to customize it. I will not write a guide for it. I just want to see it happening, if it's even possible, without destroying the system, without having it crash all the time. Because all the rest of my systems are no problem at all, like no crashes. No, maybe an app will crash, maybe, but the session or even reboot the system, never. Like a very rare thing to happen. And when it happens, I know what it is and I know how to solve it. This is so far unsolvable to me. Insane. Anyway, enough of the rant. I don't want to drag this any longer. I will have to stitch the videos and make one proper video for the channel and be done with it for today. I have wasted so many hours today. I'm furious. And yeah, if you want a Linux distribution, stable and easy to use, and to have it to use it with old or modern systems, stick with, I don't know, any of the other ones instead of this shite. I don't know, even Linux Mint, even I don't know, Pop! OS Cosmic. I don't know, not this one. If you want to customize your system, that is. If you want to customize your system. Insane. Anyway, thank you for everything as always. I wanted to say some other things for today, but nope. Thank you, no thank you, Zorin OS 18.1 core. Thank you, no thank you. And for the people behind this, be better. This is disgusting. Be better. If you want money, ask for money, for donations. Be better. You are not all that. You're not all that. Not all that. You are not Apple, you're not Microsoft, you are just scamming people. For real. This is disgusting. A Linux system that I have trouble customizing with assets that should be like piece of cake, it's shite. End of story. And once again, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye.